Yeah, you can see that old wooden gate made out of lumber, and it served its purpose. It's, you know, it was a pain in the ass to open and close, but it kept the deer out. But it's time to replace it, and so that's kind of what I'm supposed to be doing. Now, I set a metal post right there and set it in concrete yesterday, but it's been wet and rainy, so I may have to wait a good while to hang that gate till that concrete dries that I set that post in. Here's the gate that's going in the over there to replace that old wooden one. It's 8 by 12, and what it is two gates. Second one was bent real bad, and I cut the bent part off and welded it to the good part, so we actually have an 8 by 12 gate, and that's exactly what I needed over there. So anyways, it's welded together right here on both sides, and I put a coat of primer on it this morning. So we'll just pick this up with a tractor bucket somehow and get it moved over there and get it ready to hang. Got these hinge blocks welded on here, and it takes these J-bolts like this right here, and there's a ball bearing that goes in there. And got to drill holes in the post, and it's adjustable then, so that's a good thing. And but we need to let the concrete dry for the post that I put in. I set the post, and then we've had nothing but rain ever since, so probably going to be a few days before we can hang this. Well, I took a speed square and marked straight lines, level lines around from that hole, so I can I'm going to use a long drill bit, and I want to try to keep it as straight as possible to make it to the other side about in the same place. So we're going to do that, and I'll catch up with y'all when I get all these holes drilled. Okay, well, got the drills holed. It wasn't easy, but got the bolts, L-bolts through the post, and got nuts so it won't fall off. But I don't know how much footage I lost of doing this because I'm not used to this new Pocket 3 camera. And when you go, what I thought I was turning it off, it looks like it erases footage. So we'll see what I end up with. But anyway, that part of the gate's hung. and I'm thirsty. I'm gonna go find something to drink. Okay, that's all I can do for day one. I'm starting to heat stress a little bit. I went and had one electrolyte and two carbonated water. It just hasn't quenched my thirst yet, but that's a good start. It won't take long to get another row of that fence wire up and then get some primer on this, but it's pretty good now. Got a wheel on it. I had to level out a little dirt right here with the tractor, and gonna get back after it tomorrow. Okay, I got top fence wire up on the gate. I'm not finished with it, but I've got to leave. But it's up, it's shut, functioning good, easy to open and close. Got a wheel on it, and got the old gate laying on the ground right here. I got to drag it off, but I've got to go. I've got to leave, and I won't be back for a couple of days. So it is what it is. Thanks for watching, guys. It really means a lot to me. I've picked up a couple of new subscribers lately, and that really means a lot to me too. See y'all on the next one.